So that video had a nice example of the two basic structures, one in English and one in ASL. Always they use that same sentence every time, every curriculum throughout all time. It has to be, I go to the store. I don't know why. We're focusing on the parts of a sentence, not any specific language. These rules apply to all languages. After this, we'll look at how grammar works with both English and ASL. So, a little quick review. What is a subject? It's who or what the sentence is about, the doer. For example, I, my mom, the student, those would all be subjects. A quick review of what a verb is. It's an action or a state of being, for example, to eat, to read, to watch. And an object is who or what is affected by the action, such as pizza, book, or TV. Let's practice. In English, we say, I eat pizza. In ASL, pizza, I eat. In English, we would say, they read a book. In ASL, book, they are reading. In English, we would say, we watch TV. In ASL, we would say, TV, we watch. In English, we would say, I like apples. In ASL, we would say, apples, I like. Some things to ponder. Did you know other languages also use the OSV grammar structure, such as Romance languages like Spanish, French, and Italian? English, on the other hand, comes from the Germanic family language, along with German, Dutch, and Swedish. Do you think that's all? ASL may look simple at first glance, but like any language, including English, its grammar is rich and complex. This lesson is just the beginning, laying the foundation. Did you notice this? Some words are written in all capital letters. These are not typos. They're ASL gloss, and they are a way to represent ASL signs using English words in capital letters for instructional purposes. If you're ever confused about what a gloss symbol means, you can always go back to your Unit 1, Section 0 notes, and there's a whole section in there about gloss that explains those details if you're curious to know more. Next in our notes is activity number 1, the basic ASL grammar scramble. This activity is an activity that you will complete on Canvas. If you would like to pause your work through the lecture now and go complete that activity, you can do that now. If you are following along in your notes or on the slides, you'll see that it's the same sentences in the notes as it is in that activity. So if you'd like to do that, feel free and go and come back, and I'll see you in the next video.